My name is Liam Ryan. I'm farming here in Durrow in South County Kilkenny. I'm milking 120 cows. I have a 21 unit herringbone milking parlour. The cows do be out on grass by day and in the night time they'd be in eating zero grazed grass. I installed a 20 kilowatt solar panel system. The reason I installed it is because I'm into green energy. I think it's the way forward, and hopefully it'll also keep down my energy costs. I heard about AEI through my neighbour who had already contacted them, and I contacted the office, and Darren called out and he assessed the farm and he checked my ESB bills and he recommended a 20 kilowatt system. I found the AEI team very professional to work with, and they gave me great advice on subsidies and grants that were available. The installation process was seamless and it didn't interrupt whatsoever with my day-to-day running of the farm. I would recommend the AEI and their solar panels because I believe green energy is the future of farming in Ireland.